Bonsoir les amis, bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In today's video, you are going to learn about the conjugation of another special verb, that is Acheter, which means to buy. In affirmation, j'achète, tu achètes, elle, on achète. Since it is an er ending verb, so the rules which are followed for the formation and the conjugation of the er ending verb will be applicable over here. The only difference is that this particular E will change into lexicograph. Please be mindful of the nu and wu form. These do not change. They remain the same as they are conjugated in the er ending verb. There is no change from E to lexicograph. The pronunciation are j'achète, achète, achète, j'achètons, j'achète, j'achète, and j'achète. Because of the liaison rule, this S will get connected with this A in all these forms. The meanings are I buy, you buy, he or she buys, we buy in informal way, nous achetons, we buy in formal, you buy or you are buying in formal way, and they are buying or they buy. When we conjugate the verb in negation, we will simply follow the formation sujet plus ne plus verbe plus pas. Je n'achète pas, tu n'achètes pas, elle, on n'achète pas. Again with the nu and wu form, no change. Nous n'achetons pas, and vous n'achetez pas. Elle n'achète pas. Be mindful of the nu and wu form in affirmation and in negation. I don't buy or I'm not buying. You don't buy or you are not buying. He or she does not buy. We are not buying. We are not buying. You are not buying, and they are not buying. So this is how we conjugate the verb ashate in affirmation and negation. Let's do some sentences to understand how this particular verb is going to be used in the formation of any sentence. The first sentence is j'achète un livre, which means a book. Second, tu n'achètes pas le pain or le pain. Pronunciation is pain, which means bread. You are not buying bread. Third, il achète une voiture. Voiture means car. Elle n'achète pas la robe, which means dress. Nous achetons a cadeau. Cadeau means a gift. We are buying a gift. Vous n'achetez pas le journal. You are not buying the newspaper. Journal, which means newspaper. The seventh sentence, il achète les stylos. They are buying the pens. Stylo means pens here because it is in plural form. Elle n'achète pas le lampe. Which means lamp. It is a feminine singular noun, so we have used le. So these are the sentences which I wanted to discuss. I'll give you the pronunciation along with the meanings once again. J'achète un livre. I am buying a book. Tu n'achètes pas le pain, which means you are not buying the bread. Il achète une voiture. He is buying a car. Elle n'achète pas la robe, which means she is not buying the dress or she does not buy the dress. Nous achetons un cadeau. Because of the liaison rule, S will get connected with this U. So we are buying a gift. Vous n'achetez pas le journal. You are not buying the newspaper. Ils achètent les stylos. They are buying the pens. Elle n'achète pas la lampe, which means she is not or they are not buying the lamp. So this is all for today. Kindly frame your own sentences, practice the conjugations in affirmation and negation. Share your sentences in the comment section. And please, if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. And please press the bell icon so that you can get all the future updates on time. A très bientôt.